Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this question. Find missing and repeated values. Lead code 2965. Here we are given with a grid which ranges from 1 to n into n. So we are given with a grid which is of size n into n. Now our range would be something like, wait a second, our range would be something like 1 till n into n. So, so here we are given with an example. We need to return the missing value and also the duplicate value as a vector. Now, I am taking the frequency every time. Now, 1 is having a frequency of 1 till now. 3 is having a frequency of 1 till now, and then I go here, I got 2 which is having a frequency of 1. Now I again go to 2 which is having a frequency of 2. So my duplicate value will be my duplicate value will be 2. Now I have 1, 3, 2 as in a frequency map. As I said, 1 to n into n are the elements in the range and they need to be present in the uh, grid. Now, if there is a value which is duplicate, then there will be a missing value and we need to find that missing value. Now, how can I find this missing value? So I would iterate from I is equal to 1 till n into n. Now, if the frequency of the element, any element is 0, like here I will be storing in unordered map, so let me initialize the name as MP. Now if MP of I is 0, MP of I is 0, then I would make this as my missing value. My missing value will be, my missing value will be right I. So this is how I solve this problem. Let me do the same thing for the second example. 9 is repeated for only one time, then I go to 1 and 1 is repeated only for one time. Then I go to 7, 7 is repeated for only one time. Then I go to 8, 8 is repeated for one time. Then I again got this 9 and my MPs 9. So the frequency of 9 has become 2. So the duplicate value in our grid is 9. Now I go to 2. So 2 is repeated for only one time. Then I go to 3. 3 is repeated for only one time. 4 is repeated for only one time. And also 6 is also repeated for only one time. Now, as I said, I need to find the missing value. So I'd start from I is equal to 1 and I go till n into n, n into n. Now, if the MP of I is 0, that means if you see here the value of 5 is 0. So this will be my missing value. MP of I is equal to 0 is equal to 0, then my missing value will be I. So I would return my duplicate comma missing at the end, or I can also can be written the place where I got the missing value, and after that I will return -1 comma -1, or I initialize the duplicate at the beginning, so duplicate comma -1 if I didn't find the missing value. So this is the code. I have initialized duplicate is equal to -1 and a hash map MP n is equal to grid dot size, and I iterate through the grid if MP of grid of I is equal to 2. So I have incremented the count and then checking whether it is the duplicate value or not. So if it is the duplicate value, I'll change the duplicate to grid ij. Now after that I would iterate from I is equal to 1 to n into n, I plus plus. So if mp of I is equal to 0, then I at the same level or same iteration I will get return duplicate comma I, and at the end I will return duplicate comma myself. So this is how you solve this problem. If you like this video, do share to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.